How to save a PowerPoint document to your device. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to save any document on PowerPoint to your device easy and fast. First thing, go to PowerPoint. Now choose the document or create one. For example, I have this document right here. Now if you want to save it to your phone or your device, all what you have to do is so simple. Go to the top right here, click on those three dots. Now all what you have to do is click on save as right here, click on it, and now click on this device option, and it will directly be saved to your device easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.